Today we are going to make a mandu, which is a dumpling. Okay, ready, go.
Hi guys, so we're using dough. First we have to put our hand in the water and then put it in the edges. And then second we need the meat. And then we do it like a tape, like stick it like a tape. So this is how we squeeze it. And then we have to put water.
So that is a mul mandu. So water dumpling.
Now here is my cute dumpling.
Good job. Okay, who's next?
Me.
Mama, someone didn't make it right.
Okay.
That's okay.
We're gonna do Leah. Go.
So basically, you take
So
A
what are you
piece-
gonna make? You wanna make it this one and that one?
that one.
Okay.
So basically, you take one piece of dough, put it on one of your hands, put two of your fingers gently in the water, and wrap it on the edge. Put the water on the edge of the dough. Now you take a half a spoon of meat. Then you take one of the edges and squeeze it for the middle. Now you squeeze all of them. But make sure not to let any meat out, or it'll be bad. Now since it's like that, you take this, put it in front of it, and wrap the other part right there. Squeeze it, and then voila, dumpling.
Good job. Who's next?
Well,
Wait, I'm doing mine.
ready?
Okay, ready. Go.
Now, today we're making dumplings. First, we get our two fingers, put it in the water, then put it in a circle. And if there is not enough water around the circle, then put your two fingers again into the water and then make it into a circle.
Okay.
Next, get meat. A half spoon of meat. That's okay. Then put it like this and then put water at the edge and then you turn it around and then voila, you make a dumpling. But if you want to make that,
It looked like a alien, right?
Voila! Here is mine.
Wawa.
I said voila.
How do you make that?
Okay.
I'll make that.
Up me.
Again?
This is my mom's dumpling. How she makes dumpling.
Fingers in the
I'll
water
put
and then
two
the edge
fingers
around the dough.
I think
around
we have to wrap it up. We see you later. Bye.